This is the third video in a short series on how to use the LAOS Bridgeless minter to create an almost unlimited number of regular ERC-721 tokens on Ethereum or Polygon. In the first two videos, we learnt how to acquire LAOS test tokens and then deploy a universal ERC-721 contract. In this video, we are going to learn how to mint assets in either Ethereum or Polygon without paying ETH or MATIC. We are then going to import the newly created asset into Metamask. To ensure that Metamask displays the NFT correctly, we must enable OpenSea's API in Metamask to fetch the correct data. Now we can click on the Create button and from the drop-down, click Start Universal Minting. Either drag and drop an image or click Browse Files to select one from the dialog. Enter a name and description for the new asset. Optionally, you can add a URL in this field if you want to associate an animation, such as a video with the asset. You can also associate attributes with the asset, like this. Now, select the ownership chain where you would like the asset to be minted. Note, you need to have created a collection in the chain first. Select a previously created collection from this drop-down. The new asset needs to have an owner. Here, we are opening Metamask to copy the public address of the new owner's account and pasting it in the field. Click the button to mint the asset. Note how in this step we are spending a small amount of LAOS tokens, but no ETH or MATIC. With the transaction confirmed, the asset is now minted. We can now add it to Metamask by clicking this button and switching to the ownership chain. Finally, we can add the asset into our collection. It can now be viewed in the NFT tab within Metamask.